Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to apply for credit card on Navy Federal Credit Union. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in navyfederal.org. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Navy Federal Credit Union. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here like checkings and savings, credit cards, loans, services, etc. Hover over the option for credit cards. Now you'll be able to find the options for credit cards over here. At first you'll be able to find the option for all credit cards. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the credit cards interface. If you scroll down in this interface, you'll be able to browse the cards over here. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll also be able to see the annual fee, rate, terms and conditions over here. You'll be able to find more information regarding the credit card. So once you like one credit card, you can apply for it. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, apply now. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to apply for the credit card, what you have to do is first of all, log into your digital banking. So what you have to do is enter your username over here. Simply enter your username. Now enter your password. After you provide your credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you'll be signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, in order to apply for the credit card, what you have to do is submit a form. In that form you'll have to include your personal information, employment information and financial information. First of all, enter your name, address, date of birth, social security number, etc. Simply fill in all the fields that you see on that interface. Likewise, also provide your employment information, provide your employer's name, address and your income. Also provide the information about your assets and dates. Once you're done, you'll be able to apply for the credit card. Simply submit the form. Or instead of that, you can also make the in-person application. You can also apply in person at a local branch where a representative will guide you through the process. After you submit your form, simply wait for the review and approval. The credit union will review your application and run a credit check to assess your credit worthiness. Also, based on your credit score, financial information and other factors, the credit union will decide whether to approve your application or not. Once approved, you'll receive your credit card and instructions on how to activate it. Simply activate your credit card and you'll be able to use it. So like this, you'll be able to apply for the credit card. So that is how you apply for a credit card at a Federal Credit Union. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.